What's the meaning of cooler? Cooler. Cooler.
Cooler. Cooler. The term cooler can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of cooler refers to a device or appliance used to lower the temperature of something. This could refer to a refrigerator, air conditioner, or any other cooling mechanism. Another meaning of cooler is a slang term used to describe someone who is calm, collected, and in control of their emotions. In this context, cooler may be used to describe someone who is able to handle difficult situations without getting upset or frazzled.